Hi, this is JL Murthy presenting solutions for Cbse 10th 2025 board exam question paper. Under section A, we have 20 MCQ questions, of which first two MCQs are picked for today's discussion. In subsequent videos, other MCQs and remaining sections will be taken up. This attempt is to assist students in preparing for final examination slated from 17th February to 10th March 2026, of which mathematics paper is on day 1, that is 17th February. So without wasting time, we should run through PYQs for overall understanding of the types of questions and the way of arriving at solutions. In this attempt, as the opening episode of PYQ 2025, I have taken up first two MCQs with solutions, explanations and verification of answers. Here we go. First question. In this question, given data is alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial 3x square plus 6x plus k. Here k is the unknown parameter. Now condition alpha plus alpha beta equal to minus 2 by 3. This is the condition given and we are asked to find the value of k. Okay, what are the options given? Minus 8, 8, minus 4 and 4. So one of them is correct. So we have to identify that. The problem tests your understanding of the relationship between polynomial zeros and coefficients. Let us work through step by step using Vita's formulas. Key concept: Vita's formulas. Vita's formulas provide a powerful connection between the zeros of a polynomial and its coefficients. For any quadratic polynomial of the form x square plus bx plus c with zeros alpha and beta, these relationships always hold true. Sum of zeros and product of zeros. Now sum of zeros alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a, that is negative of coefficient of x over coefficient of x square. The sum of the zeros equals the negative coefficient of x divided by the coefficient of x square. Product of zeros alpha into beta equal to c by a. The product of the zeros equals the constant term divided by the coefficient of x square. These formulas are essential tools for solving problems involving polynomial zeros. Memorize them well, they appear frequently in Cbse exams. Step 1. Identify the coefficients. In the given equation, as compared to x square plus bx plus c, the standard form, we have 3x square plus 6x plus k, where a takes the value 3, b 6 and c equal to k. Fine. With these coefficients, we move forward. Substituting in place of b and a the values, alpha plus beta, the general formula is minus b by a, here minus 6 by 3, which is minus 2, and alpha into beta equal to c by a, here c is k, a is 3, therefore k by 3. Now we are given that alpha plus alpha beta equal to minus 2 by 3. This is a condition given. Okay. Now what is alpha plus beta? Minus 2. Alpha beta k by 3. Substitute those values in this. So minus 2 plus k by 3 equal to minus 2 by 3. This implies k by 3 is 2 minus of 2 by 3, which is 4 by 3. K by 3 equal to 4 by 3 indicates k equal to 4. That's all. So k equal to 4 is the correct answer, and the value of k that satisfies the given condition is 4, which corresponds to option D in the given question. Now, verification. We need to verify whether k equal to 4 is right or wrong. Now, alpha plus beta is minus 2, alpha beta is 4 by 3. Alpha plus alpha beta equal to minus 2 plus 4 by 3, which is minus 2 by 3. So, it is also verified. Therefore, final polynomial substituting the value of k4 is 3x square plus 6x plus 4, where 4 has replaced the unknown parameter k by knowing its value. Fine. Let's move on to MCQ 2. Here the given information is x equal to 1, y equal to 2. We are also given two pairs of linear equations, 2x minus 3y plus a equal to 0, 2x plus 3y minus b equal to 0. Find the relationship between constants a and b for the given values of x equal to 1 and y equal to 2. Okay, this problem tests your understanding of how solutions satisfy linear equations and how to work with constants in algebraic expressions. Solution of equations. A pair of values x, y that satisfies both equations simultaneously. When you substitute these values, each equation becomes a true statement. So thereby you will get two statements. So two statements with two variables will definitely get the values for a and b. Now substitute the given values into each equation separately. This transforms the equations into simpler forms that can be solved for the unknown constants. When xy is substituted into an equation equal to 0, the left side must simplify to exactly 0, confirming its a valid solution. This substitution method helps us find the values of unknown constants a and b and establish relationships between them. Okay, first equation 2x minus 3y plus a equal to 0, where x equal to 1 and y equal to 2. Then substituting we get minus 4 plus a equal to 0 or a equal to 4. Okay, take up second 3x plus 3y minus b equal to 0 with x and y values remaining same, x1 and y2. On substituting into the above equation, we get 8 minus b equal to 0 or b equal to 8. Yes. So therefore, a is 4, b is 8. That indicates 2a equal to b. Right, there is a relationship between a and b. Now looking at the options, option A is a equal to 2b, which is wrong, and 2a equal to b, option B is correct. A plus 2b is 0, wrong, and 2a plus b equal to 0 is also false. So option B is correct. Now solution flow diagram, how we obtain the solution. So starting, we are given a solution x equal to 1 and y equal to 2. You have to substitute first in equation 1. You will get 2x minus 3y plus a equal to 0. In this equation, if you substitute x and y values, you will get the value of a directly as 4. And second substitution, second equation, 2x plus 3y minus b equal to 0, x1 and y is 2. Therefore, by substituting and calculating, simplifying, you get b equal to 8. So, what is the method we have followed? Recognize the given values of x, y that form the solution to both equations. In this case, x equal to 1 and y equal to 2 is the given data. And substitute into first equation and subsequent to second equation. Now, first equation, replace x and y with their given values in the first equation. Then simplify and solve for the first constant A. Repeat the same process for B in the second solution and find the relationship. Now we need to find the relationship between A and B according to their values. Verification also can be done. Test each given option by substituting the calculated values to confirm which relationship is mathematically correct. Always verify your answer by substituting back into the original equations. This ensures accuracy and builds confidence in your solution. Therefore, the right option is B, 2A equal to B, and values found are A equal to 4 and B equal to 8. Therefore, 2 into 4 is 8, that is 2 into A equal to B. This is a confirmed. Thank you.